my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm back with another hairstyle tutorial. Today I decided to do a Paris Fashion Week inspired hairstyle. So I've done this sleek ponytail with a braid going down the middle. Goes right down the back. So I've got, whoa, that was close. So I got inspiration from this hairstyle from these pictures from Paris Fashion Week. These are actually from 2017, but I like the hairstyle, so I thought I'd do a tutorial on it. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got on with this hairstyle, then just keep watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.